Hey there, today we are diving into the challenge we have all faced starting and sticking to new habits. Let me tell you a story about Daniel. Daniel wakes up one day determined to make a positive change in his life. Maybe it's exercising, reading more, or starting a meditation practice. The first few days are great, filled with motivation and excitement. But as the time goes on, that initial spark fades, and Daniel finds himself saying, "It's okay, I'll do it tomorrow." The cycle repeats, and the desired habit gradually fades into the background. So, why does this happen? Often, the new habits we try to form seem overwhelming, and our initial motivation becomes a distant memory. When we are motivated, it's easy to do things. For example, going to the gym for an hour doesn't seem hard at first, but when motivation fades, it's hard to keep up the same level. Once the initial motivation decreases after a few days, there's nothing pushing us forward and the habit hasn't truly formed. In unmotivated states, we may skip the gym altogether because dedicating a whole hour feels overwhelming. Rather than relying solely on motivation, the focus should shift to transforming the new habit into an actual habit. This brings us to the concept of the 2-minute rule by James Clear. Instead of setting grand goals, break them into a 2-minute version. Let me explain. Do you want to make reading a habit? Then just read one page. Remember, the key is to overcome the mental resistance and just start. It's not about the perfection of the action, but the act of starting. Imagine committing just 2 minutes to stretch and do a quick exercise routine. This simple beginning can often evolve into a more extensive workout session, as starting breaks the initial resistance, making it easier to continue and enjoy the benefits of exercise. Applying the 2-minute rule transforms the goal into manageable tasks. For example, become a writer becomes write just one sentence. Floss all my teeth becomes floss one tooth. Run 3 miles becomes put on my running shoes and go outside. While these tasks may seem easy, they are integral to getting started. You can't write a book if you can't even write a single sentence. And you can't be an athlete if you can't put on your running shoes. Even if it's just one word or a short walk around the block, it's better than nothing. Importantly, this approach helps in forming and reinforcing the habit. Consistency is the key to forming a habit. Even if it's just 2 minutes, you have done more than someone who did nothing at all. And if you are skeptical about the 2-minute rule, consider this perspective. You know that the real goal is to do more than just 2 minutes. So it may feel like you are trying to fool yourself. Nobody is actually aspiring to read one page or do one push-up or open their notes. And if you know it's a mental trick, why would you fall for it? If the 2-minute rule feels forced, try this. Do it for 2 minutes and then stop. Go for a run, but you must stop after 2 minutes. Start meditating, but you must stop after 2 minutes. Study Arabic, but you must stop after 2 minutes. It's not a strategy for starting, it's the whole thing. Your habit can only last 120 seconds. Remember, starting is the most important part of any new habit. It's not about how well or how long you do it, it's about consistently taking action. Instead of trying to make a perfect habit, do the easier thing consistently. That's how you will make your habit a habit. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.